Alright, y'all, so we have got some of this cleared out. This is going to help with the water issue that we got going on that I was telling y'all about from previous videos. So hopefully that'll bring all that water to flowing back there where it belongs. All this has grown up since we've last been out here, but we're gonna knock it down, make it look good again. I got the video camera. Why you looking back? So we're out here today doing some tractor work. Told y'all before, ooh, it's my hair, my goodness. Told y'all before we were in the process of trying to get a tractor. My husband and his friend have finally accomplished that so we can get more work done and trees cut down out here. So, huh?
Look how big this thing is.
You got bit by mosquitoes? Me too. Alright, y'all, so we're walking in the woods today in the area where we showed you guys we're planning to move our shed to home. So now that we've gotten the tractor, we can get a little bit more work done, so that's a great thing. Okay, so they created this path today for the boys to be able to ride their dirt bikes and four-wheelers. So got Ace with me so he can watch for snakes just in case. But it's beginning to, well, it is fall now, so the trees are beginning to die out, so that makes it pretty easy. Go ahead, boy. Pretty easy to be able to get trees down now this time of year. But I love it. I think it, ooh, what was that? Don't be throwing that now, you be scaring me. Come on, Ace. Yes. I figured he was gonna do that. some of these trees still have to come down, but I think this is pretty good for now. This is the area where I really would have liked to move our shed to home to, down here, but too much water comes down here. So there's a creek that actually flows through there, so you can tell the difference in dirt too once you get down here, how you can see where the water sits for real. So nice and quiet. Back there, got the boys with me today.
I hate mosquitoes.
Yes, we hate mosquitoes. We don't like mosquitoes. Yeah, all this grass done grown up back here where we were last year. Having a good time building little houses. The dad will get that back down. You want to go this way or this way? This way? Okay. We'll go this way. Come on, Ace. No, I don't think it's going to. Y'all got it up there pretty good. I just had to come back down here and cut the grass again. See, that back there eventually looked like this right here. Once y'all ride on it enough, it'll flatten out and stuff. Or Dad'll have to flatten it out. It'll eventually look like this. Come on, Ace. You gotta come do your job, buddy. Come on, in the front. Alright. Well, Dad said he saw one the other day over here, so. To the front. It's a good little walk right there. That right, Ace? Alright. Alright. Come over here as he's doing some work. Over here, trying to get the water to flow back where it needs to flow. Hey, Cameron. I see what you're saying now. That had got clogged up. Uh-huh. I'll have to come back probably tomorrow or another day to get some better lighting because it's getting dark out here. But my husband did get the lines ready for our septic. Looking good. And then in the hole. Down in the hole.